Top 8 Unique Death Rituals in Indonesia. Speaking of rituals, Indonesia has so many rituals depends on the occasion as Indonesian cultural activities. There are birth rituals, weddings, and even death rituals. The unique thing about ritual in Indonesia is the lost ritual. They even made it as if it is a big party to let the death go. Here we have some unique death ceremonies in Indonesia that will make your jaw drop into the floor. Some of them may sound a bit terrifying for you but has a deeper meaning behind it. So, let's check them out. Number 1. Naban. Naban is a Hindu death ritual that takes place every year in Bali. Because of its history as a well-known Indonesian culture, Naban has become the most unique lost rite in Bali. The ceremony will begin when the family gathers all of the offerings, which will be burned beside the body, such as flowers, unique figurines, and other items. Naban is a symbol of the family's sincerity to let go in Hinduism in Bali. They think that performing the ceremony is the only way for the ghost to leave this planet. The spirit will return to the Pangka Maha Buddha, which is their greatest god. Naban frequently discusses the effects of tourism in Bali. Trunyan is a location in Bali where the deceased body of a person is buried in the Bangli region. Trunyan Cemetery has been there for a long time. Some Balinese continue the habit of burying their ancestors there. The corpse that was not buried but simply placed there is a unique feature of Trunyan Cemetery. People commonly cover the corpse with woven bamboo. Surprisingly, every corpse placed there will not emit a corpse odor. People assume that the majority of the trees will absorb the corpse's odor. Number 3. Rambu Salak. For the Toraja tribe in the south of Sulawesi, Rambu Solok is one of the most unusual dying ceremonies. After they slaughtered some buffaloes as a gift to God, the ceremony will begin. That is why, for some reason, this lost tradition has become one of Indonesia's most expensive rites. Many Torajanese will often postpone the ceremony till they have enough money. Aside from the slaughter, the family also created a sculpture of the person who died. They want to bury the body in some cliffs with a sculpture that promotes tourism in Indonesia. Number 4. Pasaliran. Pasaliran are baby graves where members from the Toraja tribe in Tara trees. People say that the Tara tree produces the greatest sap, as if it were baby milk. The Tara tree serves as an ovarium for the bodies of their kids, allowing them to remain comfortable. Every baby's corpse that does not acquire teeth should be buried on the Tara tree for Cambronese. They believe that the infant will bear children from the same mother in the future. Number 5. Moropo. Sumba, West Nusa Tenggara, has a death ceremony known as Moropo. They will butcher some livestock once the family member has died. Their flesh will be served to all of the attendees at the event. The summonees think that if they do not perform the rite, they will experience bad luck in their life. That is why, no matter what, the ceremony will be held. After the ceremony, the body would be buried next to their forefathers and mothers. They think that when someone dies, they merge with their ancestors. Number 6. Cut finger. In Papua, there is a group known as the Dani tribe, which boasts Indonesia's most frightening death ceremony. Some family members would cut their fingers when one of their relatives dies. The Dani tribe views the severing of a finger as a symbol of their deepest grief. When a family member cuts their finger, the ritual begins. They will then take a mud bath and wander around the corpse with tears in their eyes. This ceremony is a symbol of their deepest sadness for the one who has passed away. Number 7. Corpse mummy. The Asmat tribe's corpse mummy is the most distinctive death ceremony in Papua. The mummy corpse ritual is usually performed for members of the Asmat tribe who have a high status in society, such as chiefs or warlords. The family will smear the chief's body with a special mixture from the Asmat tribe in Papua once he has died. The body should then be placed over the fireplace so that it is surrounded by smoke. The body should be positioned such that it appears to be sitting. The family member's guy will keep it so that they can show the mummy corpse to any visitors who arrive. Number 8. Taiwa. The Taiwa is a religious rite in Kalimantan that is performed by the Dayak tribe in the heart of the island. The ceremony will begin after the body has been buried for a long time and is simply bones. They will remove the bones from the grave and store them for 7 to 40 days. Taiwa is said to be the final ceremony for delivering the spirit to the god in the seventh sky, Luolau. The family will prepare the offering, food, meat, and other items for the event. That is why holding this event may be so costly.